This is a question which will prove the total advantage of fractions over decimals in a question like this. We're going to be looking at surds going into this equation once we put in the two standard values for both cos 60 and sine 60. Okay, let's start. Cosine of 60 is a half, and we divide this by the sine of 60, which is root 3 over 2. And this is going to be 10, and I'm going to start splitting up this 12 into its factors. This is the square root of 3 times 4, and this is all squared. The 2 divide by 2's cancel, and that leaves us with 1 over root 3 plus 10 divided by. Now, this will be the root 3 multiplied by the root of 4. The root of 4 is 2, so this is divided by 2 root 3. All squared, remember. Okay, putting it on a common denominator of 2 root 3. Root 3 into 2 root 3 goes twice. 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 goes once. 1 times 10 is 10. And this is equal to, we've got 12 on the top over 2 root 3 on the bottom. And that's still all squared. And that is equal to, after another bit of cancellation, the 2 goes into the 12, giving 6. So squaring 6, we get 36. And squaring the root of 3, we get 3. 36 divided by 3 is 12. And that is equal to P. And I'm sure without looking it up, that is the answer.